How to turn our website into your catalogue. You probably already know that rivermounts.com is the online resource every jeweller needs, enabling you to search our available designs and stock, browse our catalogues, and make reservations and orders from anywhere, at any time, and on any device. What you might not know is that in less than 1 minute, you can convert our website into your digital catalogue so that you can wow your in-store customers and close sales. Here's how. Start by selecting your name on the top of any page and choosing Website Settings from the drop-down menu. From the Website Settings page, you can upload your logo, select a colour scheme that matches your company brand, and set up a markup multiplier to represent the percentage you want Rivermounts prices to be increased by when your customers are looking at our products. Save and activate the toggle at the bottom of the page. Now you're ready to showcase our products with your brand and your prices, providing your customer with a seamless in-store browsing and checkout experience, whether on PC, tablet, or even mobile. Rivermounts.com. Reserve today, receive tomorrow.